Hello everyone and welcome back to Gateway Peugeot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly to your new Peugeot as of 2024 with a new software system. Now first things first, we're going to switch on the car. You don't have to switch the ignition over. You can just hold the start stop button down without having your foot on the throttle just to switch the electrics on, and we can do things that way as well, but it will work both ways. Now, before we do anything, we want to make sure that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth are both on your phone. You can see what this would look like here on an Android phone, and it will look like this on an iPhone phone. Now, if you tap the touchscreen with 3 fingers, it brings up this big menu here. Here you can see you've got all your options for the car. You want to scroll down to where it says mirror screen and click this button. This will bring you to this screen here. Now, as you can see, we've got a big green button at the bottom that says connect device, and you want to click this as well. Now, as long as your device is on and the Bluetooth is on, as previously mentioned, the car will then search for devices nearby and it should locate your phone. Now, once your phone has been located, it will display on the screen of the car as well as the screen of your phone with a pairing code. Now, these two will always match together, and you just need to click confirm, as you can see here. Following that, you'll have the option of allowing the phone to access your phone book, your microphone, your mobile data. Now, you don't have to say yes to all these things, but obviously if you want the most optimized experience, I'd recommend saying yes to all of them. It just makes life so much easier when you are driving. Now, after this step, your phone will connect via Bluetooth to the car straight away, as you can see here. Now, if you're to wait a few seconds without clicking any buttons, a message should pop up asking if you'd like to connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you just click confirm, it will take you straight to the screen and your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will start up straight away. Now, I think it's important to mention you do not need mobile data to do this. The only things necessary is that you do have your Wi-Fi on and you do have your Bluetooth on. You've also got no privacy settings on, disallowing any sort of outside connections. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope it was helpful. If there is any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to as many people as possible if you do have any questions.